looking at these slender golden cakes speckled with black sesame seeds, torn apart to reveal a pillowy, stretchy crumb and a delicate swirl of steam. Would anyone believe they were toasted to perfection right on a familiar home frying pan? Welcome, dear friends, to the bustling, sizzling kitchen of Cooking Tips 5S. Today, let us leave the chaos of the world behind, roll up our sleeves and knead a little peace from flour and eggs. Upon the soft pastel pink kneading mat, the rustic ingredients have gathered, waiting quietly for the magic to begin. 2 farm eggs with rich brown shells, a touch of pure white sugar, a pinch of golden yeast, and a bowl of black sesame seeds scattered like stars in the night sky. Beside them sits a pour of creamy fresh milk, a glimmer of light cooking oil, and most importantly, the soul of our dish, a bowl of snowy white flour, as light and airy as autumn clouds. We begin by awakening the flavors within a transparent glass bowl. 2 eggs are cracked, revealing vibrant, life-filled yolks. Next, a drizzle of oil, sweet sugar, and fragrant yeast is poured in. Warm, fresh milk flows into the bowl, embracing everything. The fine white flour is dropped in last, like a gentle snowfall. With a graceful hand, a spoon glides through, weaving the wet and dry ingredients together into a cohesive bond. To breathe life into the dough, gloved hands begin to knead with great care. From the glass bowl to the pink mat, the dough is pressed and rotated with a steady rhythm. Under that warmth and patient tempo, the rough mass transforms, becoming smooth, elastic, and shaped into a rounded, lustrous golden ball. A rustic wooden rolling pin appears, gliding back and forth, pressing the dough into a thin, even oval silk carpet. A dreamy purple silicone brush dips into a bit of water, gently sweeping a light mist over the surface. Then, a rain of black sesame seeds falls, coating the golden silk. The rolling pin glides over once more, pressing lightly so the sesame seeds settle deep into the soft dough. A sharp blade moves with decisive vertical strokes, dividing the dough into perfectly slender ribbons. These ribbons are arranged neatly on a stainless steel tray and veiled with a layer of transparent cling film. During this quiet moment of rest, the yeast performs its final miracle, breathing life into the dough until it swells and plumps to twice its original size. The flame is lit, and the surface of the non-stick pan is brushed with a thin, light layer of oil. Hands carefully lift each buoyant ribbon, arranging them in the pan like rays of sunlight emanating from the sun. A soft, sizzling sound rises, like the rhythmic music of a mountain stream. As the bottom releases a fragrant aroma, a gentle flip with a spatula reveals a captivating, lightly caramelized golden crust. The glass lid is closed, cradling the heat so the interior can become soft and rise to its full potential. The lid is lifted, the ribbons are brushed with another shimmer of oil, flipped again, and turned with tongs to ensure every edge is cloaked in a perfect, crispy golden brown coat. These warm, golden batons are tenderly placed on a classic white porcelain plate with a gold rim. Holding a hot cake in your hand and gently pulling it apart, the slightly crisp outer shell yields to an interior as soft and fibrous as 1,000 interwoven cotton threads.